This is going to come up near your face of this box.
Okay.
Don't like holding this snake.
You don't like holding this snake? Okay, this is my husband, you guys. He's amazing. Nice. Got your snake
He's
stick.
strong.
Oh, he's coming sort of towards me. I'm just going to keep mine there. You got him? You got him, babe. Good job, good job. Holy crap, we just got a snake. Whew. Snake in a box. Now I know it's been a minute since I made my last video and I really struggled with what I wanted to show you guys of this amazing, challenging move to the countryside. I didn't want to just give you the Instagram highlights reel of all of the great stuff that's been going on, but then I also didn't want to come on here and just like have a sook because I don't know, it's kind of had a little of both. It's been fabulous in some ways, it's been really, really challenging in others. Oh no, honey, outside. Ew! Dead bird on the new floors. Ew! So I decided just to, just give it to you. So I moved out to Valley View Farm 3 months ago, and the day that we arrived, we had no front door. I'm not even joking. There was a piece of board nailed to the front of the house. And I had to unnail it to get in and then nail it back on so that we didn't get murdered in our sleep. That's where we started. Finally here, moving day, and I'm not ready. All right, all packed and ready to go. One last box. Jacob! What are you doing in there? The My Cupcake Addiction kitchen belongs to someone else now. So it begins. Post-moving morning. We basically ate pizza. The place is totally trashed. Look at it. What happened to my clean lines? I don't know how we're going to fit all this in, but we are. We're also constructing, so there's wall trims and all sorts everywhere. Our little rest stop. There's all of our clothes. Oh, moving, you guys. Mom, we're still laying floors. So I'm not really someone that does things by halves, which means the day that we were moving in, we were also having walls knocked out to create a master bedroom extension and close in a carport to give moi a walk-in wardrobe. And we also had a huge hole being dug for a new swimming pool that was going in. I don't know why. I thought, you know, moving and like knocking out walls and digging holes all at the same time. Fun times, why not? So this is gonna be my walk-in wardrobe. That's my pool. It kind of feels a shame to close that in. It's such a beautiful outlook. But wardrobe space. I'm currently going up and down that little step ladder to get in and out of the house, which is a nightmare. And the place is still totally trashed. This back wall is gonna be a massive feature, and Revolution Carpentry is doing an amazing job. And then down here, the Vassar pool crew are putting in the sand base for the pool. So it's the end of the first week at Valley View Farm, and I'm not loving it at the moment. I am in chaos. I've moved from a much larger house to a much smaller space. I have construction everywhere, and I thought that I would take to it like a fish in water, but I'm really, really struggling. I have stuff mounted on top of stuff, even now a week in. My master bedroom is still not finished. So I'm really, really struggling 1 week in. I know it's gonna get better, but I think right now is just a really, really challenging time. As well as just the general space and mess and tradies and trying to fit everything in. I also really struggled with a lot of just different animals and wildlife. These houses were empty for a long time before we moved in, and I think because we are out in the country, nature had just kind of moved in. So it was like up to me to move it back out again. But first it had to crawl on me and I had to find it. This was just found on my butt. Not even joking. Alec told me to hold still, took a photo of it, and then brushed it off. Thanks very much.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, oh my gosh, at least it wasn't on your butt. Just spotted the first snake. What do you reckon will happen if I touch this little snake? Oh! Oh, he makes a noise. It's not a gift, babe. It's not a gift.
It's not a gift, honey penny.
It's not a gift. Take it out. Don't take it on my rug. Don't you? Come on, let's get this thing outside. Come on, outside. Oh, this is so gross. Go on, over there. Yuck. Take it away. Take it away. Oh, she is so happy with herself, but I am so grossed out. So while I may have struggled with some of the wildlife, my kids have been pretty excited to get in amongst it. They have hatched toad tadpoles, gone toad hunting. We found baby frogs inside that we've released. I had cockatoos on my rocking chair, and there's always kangaroos around the place. These are things that I would never see in the city, even in Australia. So it's been really nice getting out and amongst it and seeing the actual beauty of nature and some of those animals that I'm not terrified of, because I think it's part of the reason that we came here. So it's also been summer, which is our cyclone monsoon season, and we've had the tails of a couple of tropical cyclones move through the area.
Guys, it's hailing!
It's a piece of hail. Ollie's captured some. Where is it?
Hail!
So it's really raining. I'm in flip-flops, which was a terrible idea. I'm getting saturated, my camera's getting wet, and I'm sliding all over the place. I'm going inside to get an umbrella. I don't like to work in the mud. I don't like the valley view today. Look at this. This is my front entry. Try as you might, the mud is coming in. Look at these Hennessy prints. Just painted our way all through. These were mopped yesterday. This is not quite what I had in mind when I said let's move to the country for a taste of the simple life. I'm so wet. Wish me luck. I'm going to build a chicken coop. I don't like to. And then in amongst all of this chaos and half done work, you look up and you see a cotton candy sky and amazing views from every direction, and you think, oh, clean up this mess and it's all gonna be worth it. So overall, I'm loving Valley View Farm and I'm loving the move. This place comes with nature, it comes with serenity, tranquility and peace. It comes with views and sunset cocktails that blow my mind some days, and when a storm happens, it's like a lightning show happening off the balcony. The stars at night are some of the most amazing things I've ever seen. So from now on, I'm going to be posting here once a week, and bear with me if I miss an episode or two along the way. I am battling with abysmal internet, but I'm aiming for one new video here on the sweeter side each week. I know you guys have been looking for some My Cupcake Addiction videos too, so I actually have another one going up as we speak on My Cupcake Addiction, and I'm going to be posting there on the 1st of every month so that you guys are still getting some cooking videos. I have no kitchen right now, so they're a little harder to make than usual, but I have a couple up my sleeve, so we're okay. Before I say goodbye, I'm going to be down in the comments for the first hour after I post each of my videos so I can actually have conversations with you guys around all of the stuff we're doing. Today's conversation, what do you want to see more of here on the sweeter side? I have my ideas of videos I want to post, but we're essentially on this journey together, you guys, so hit me up down below. Let me know where you want this channel to go.